In this question, you have to identify the phase in which duplication of centriole occurs. Option A, G2 phase. It is incorrect. G2 phase is primarily involved in the final preparations for mitosis, such as checking the DNA for errors and synthesizing some proteins, but not centriole duplication. Option B, ACE phase. Now, during synthesis phase, that is ACE phase of the cell cycle, centriole duplication occurs. The centrioles replicate to ensure that two pairs of centrioles are available for the next phase of cell division, whether it is mitosis or meiosis. And each centriole duplicates to form a new one, preparing for spindle formation. Hence, this is the correct option. Option C, prophase. It is incorrect. It is the first stage of mitosis where chromosomes condense and the spindle apparatus begins to form. Option D, metaphase. It is also incorrect. It is a stage of mitosis where chromosomes align at the equators, that is the cell's equator. And by this stage, centrioles have already been duplicated and the spindle fibers are fully formed and attached to the chromosomes.